How to change name on REDnote app. How to launch REDnote app on your phone and make sure to log into your account with login credentials. After a while, you will land on your homepage. Tap Me button at bottom right to access profile. Select profile button at top right. Once you get access to profile section, tap your name at top of your screen. Now you can simply say 2 to 24 characters as excluding invalid characters such as at and many more. But you need to remember that to change name on REDnote application, you have to meet some of the criterias, and after that you can change your name and set it to 2 to 24 characters. Then tap save button at top right and you are good to go. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.